I'm still here. Thanks for hanging about. I do appreciate it. Work seems to be taking up a lot of my time. That's my daily work. But I think it's only fair to bring you a bit more up to speed about where we are. I've been doing a lot of things. I will talk about that in the next video. So a little bit of an update on Bride. So as you know from the last video, we got this far. Life size, obviously. Now that takes a long time. That's a 10-hour print. That took a long time. Well, the next part of the section is the hair. She's got a lot of hair. So I had to come back here. Now, because of the restriction sizes on the printers that I currently own, that's got to be done in sections. So I split the hair into 4 sections, which I'll show you now. Okay, so here is the first section. This has a lug, as it would on the conventional size, so that's going to slide to the neck and hold the head in place, obviously, when that's done. However, I will tell you, each of these hair pieces took just over 12.5 hours each to print. So section 1, obviously, closely followed by section 2. Now, obviously, they will all need attaching, because that is where the face itself will sit. You get the drift. And of course, remove those. We have the other 2 sections. So section 3 and of course section 4. So they all need putting together. So all in all, roughly just for the hair, it's what, 48, nearly 50 hours print time. So there you have it. That's just that section. So obviously neck, shoulders, part of the top of the chest to print, pieced it all together. Of course, all that assembly I will show you. It is heavy, so I'm going to sort something out for the base, being a bust, not printing the whole female. I'll be here forever. So would you. So that's it. That's bringing it up today. So I've been on other things, which I will show you in the upcoming video. As always, I don't know how to thank you guys. You're amazing. You're just so patient and waiting. I'm sure you've got other subscribers you watch, but I do appreciate you hanging about. And you will get to see what's going on there. This one's actually been requested. So we'll see how we go with that one. As always, you're amazing. I can't even find the words. Thank you so much. Take care. Till next time. Thanks again.